Hi everyone, I have another Dollar Tree haul for you today. Let's get into it. This Dollar Tree haul has a lot of gift basket gifts in it as well, but I'm not having this be a holiday haul. This is just a normal Dollar Tree haul. The first thing I got was some tissue paper. Tissue paper is such a good price at the Dollar Tree. This is 35 sheets for $1. I chose white because it's neutral. It goes with most everything. And then I got a mug. This is for a gift basket. I got my Holy Grail nail polish remover. I love this stuff. I'm going to be giving it away, and it's to the point where I don't remember who I've given it to. So if you watch my videos and you get this and you've already received it, let me know. And then I got some frosting. This is the vanilla kind. It's a small one. I'm sure it's cheaper at Walmart for a bigger one, but I just wanted a small one today. It's Pillsbury. I got some chamomile tea. I'm going to try this. I love chamomile tea, and if I've tried it by the time I edit this video, I'll give it a thumbs up if it was good and a thumbs down if it was not good. And then I got 2 sugar cookie mixes. These are also Betty Crocker. They're just plain sugar cookie. It makes 12 2-inch cookies. And I got 3 of these cute little jars with the tin lid. They don't screw on, but they kind of plop on. I hope this one opens, you guys. It's for a video coming up. It does open. And then I got 3 of these. I only have 2 hands, so I can only hold 2. I got 3 of these. And then I got some rainbow sprinkles. That was us at the store today, trying to entertain a toddler while at the Dollar Tree. I got this mixing bowl and this spatula. It's a cookie spatula. And then we just got bar soaps. They're fancy, and we didn't want our kids getting into them. So Robert took my sponge holder and put it up high in our shower, and I needed a new one. And this is actually part of my favorite kitchen items from the Dollar Tree, and that video will either be posted or coming up. I'll link it below either way. I got some pink nail polish. It kind of has a shimmer to it. I got 2 of these. These are amazing. They're so good. They're the Godiva chocolate domes. I got 2 bags of Epsom salt. These are my favorite. I love the lavender scent. It's my favorite scent. I feel like the bags are different, and I feel like they're larger. I might have to go back in some videos to see, but this is 16 ounces. It's my favorite. Along with lavender, I got some shower fizzies. This is lavender scent, and it comes with 3. So we just did a white elephant gift exchange over Thanksgiving with our family, and I almost bought shower fizzies, and they were $15. They were bigger, and they had herbs and dried lavender in them, but this was $1 for 3. I think that was $15 for 9. I got 2 aromatherapies. I got the aroma lavender rub, and I got the breathe oil. This one's for a warming oil thing, like, I don't know, there's a glare, like that thing. But sometimes at night I like to just smell breathe oil, so I'm going to see if I can just smell it. And then I got this. I've actually never purchased this Dove body care, nourishing care, ever from the Dollar Tree. It's sealed. I've never purchased it, but I've always looked at it, and I bought one. And then I bought an oatmeal and lemon bar of soap. I like their specialty soap bars at the Dollar Tree, especially the lavender one, but they didn't have any. Okay, I got 2 of these Yes to Tomato scalp relief. I got 2 of them. It's a hair clay mask, and it's just 1 in each, but these are like, I think they're like $6 at Target. I'm going to look it up, and I'll insert the number if I remember. But I got 2 of them. And then I also got 2 Yes to Grapefruit, which is the Yes to Tomato brand, but I got these unicorn mud masks. And then I got this hand and nail gloves. And this is like, I think it's a glove that has nourishing things in it. Okay. And then I was so excited to see these blemish patches. These are so expensive on Amazon, Target, Walmart. So much money. I'm going to try them out and see if they work. I actually use the, I don't know the brand. I can link it. But I've used them before. They're kind of expensive. They work, but you have to have like a certain pimple for it to work. Like it has to have a white head. But yes, I'm excited to try these because there's so much money elsewhere. And then once again, when I was shopping for my white elephant gift, I saw these scalp massagers on Amazon and they were like $8. This was $1. I'm excited for it. And then I bought a candle. This one is Good Things Come to Those Who Hustle. Faults. I mean, hustling is good, but it's also important to take time for yourself and do self-care. But this scent, I think, is a coconut. Where's the scent? I can't find it. It smells good though, but it looks like this. This would be a great Christmas gift idea because it says to and from. My sister actually just bought like 10 of them to give to some friends. It smells really good. I'm gonna say it smells kind of coconutty. I can't pick up the other scents, but it smells good. There's another one that was red and it smells good too. And then I love crossword puzzles. I have one. I've had one for like 2 years and I do it usually when we're driving and if I'm in the passenger seat, just it helps calm me, or if I'm at home, yeah, and I'm a little anxious, I use it. So this is also for a gift, or I might keep it for myself. This is a large print. I've been looking everywhere for the Christmas word print. Can't find it at any of my Dollar Trees. And then last but not least, more stickers. These are always a classic favorite of mine. We go through stickers like crazy. We actually use them mostly at church or like on drives. And these ones are fun little like jungle safari animals. And these ones are farm animals. Thank you so much for watching and thank you for bearing with me. I am a mom first and foremost. And sometimes it doesn't always work out for me to film. It's Sam's children. Usually we do it when Robert's home, but I really wanted to get this video up. So thank you for being patient and loving. And I hope you remember that you are amazing and you are loved. And I will see you next time on the Lilac House. Bye.